Intensive agriculture and the continuous use of chemical fertilizers have profoundly altered soil health. As a result, microbial life has significantly decreased, reducing the soil's natural fertility. This forces farmers to deal with less competitive harvests and increasing dependence on external products. At Ficosterra, we have developed BCB technology, a solution that helps regenerate nutrient-depleted soils and restores their natural biological activity. But, how exactly does this technology work? After extensive research, Ficosterra selected 4 microbial families that work in synergy with the beneficial microorganisms already present in the soil. These microbes multiply rapidly and adapt to the crop environment. These microbial communities carry out essential metabolic processes, such as decomposing organic matter and unlocking nutrients trapped in the soil, making them more accessible to plant roots. This maximizes resource use, reduces the need for fertilization, and restores the natural balance between soil and plant, creating ideal conditions for sustainable and healthy growth. BCB technology is an innovative biotechnological tool, effective and environmentally friendly, that restores the soil's natural balance and improves crop performance.